My keys haven't worked in this lock since I got this truck, and so today I'm going to show you how to put in a new lock. The first step is to get all these screws out so we can take this panel off. These are some pretty big Torx screws, and luckily I had a large enough bit for it. Whoop. All right, I'm curious to see what's behind here. Not a lot. Pretty simple mechanism. Pulling the handle just rotates that and moves those two rods. And I believe that's our cylinder back there, our lock cylinder. This is what we want to put right there. I believe what's holding in this cylinder is this little wire lock right here. See how it looks like it's there, and it wraps around. Look at that, just comes right out. We can see in this piece that there is a small key and a large key. So there's only one way that this will fit in there. There's a small key and there's a large key. So when I lock it, you can see that moves up. And then when you pull the handle still moves, but it just doesn't move these. I think this is going to be the most difficult part, just putting this little spring retainer in. Okay, this is going to be a pain in the neck. Oh, I can't. Look at that. That moves out of the way. Just rotate that, pull it free, pull out of that, and you have a lot more room. Oh, so close. Okay, it's in. By latching that side first and then kind of wrapping it around and pulling that other side into there. And of course, given how tight this is in here, I wasn't really able to film it, but I think you get the idea. Again, to put it back. Push into there and then just simply rotates. Too easy. Okay, let's do the test. Unlock. Lock. So I think a new one of these from Toyota was going to be about $120, but I found this one, it's not the Toyota brand, on eBay for about $50. It does mean I have to carry around an extra key with the truck keys, but that's not such a big deal to me. Now it's just a matter of putting this panel back on, like that. That was a lot easier than I expected, and I hope this helps you replace your own lock.